Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your website with Cloudflare. Quick tutorial step by. To get started with Cloudflare, visit the Cloudflare website. Create a free account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, you'll be prompted to add your website. Enter your website's URL in the provided field. Click on the Add Site button to proceed. Select a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free option. Cloudflare will begin scanning your DNS records. This process may take a few moments. After the scan, review the DNS records to ensure they match your current settings. Make any necessary adjustments before proceeding. Once you're satisfied, click Continue. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with nameserver addresses. Copy these nameservers for later use. Now, log in to your domain registrar's website. Locate the section where you can change your domain's nameservers. Replace the existing nameservers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. Save the changes to update your nameserver settings. Return to the Cloudflare dashboard. You'll see a message confirming that your nameservers have been updated. It may take some time for the changes to propagate. Once your website is active on Cloudflare, configure its security settings. Navigate to the Firewall section in the Cloudflare dashboard. Enable security features, such as the Web Application Firewall. This will help protect your website from malicious traffic. Next, check the SSL/TLS settings. Choose the appropriate SSL setting for your website. It's recommended to use full or strict, for better security. Then, head over to the caching section. Ensure caching is enabled to improve your website's performance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.